Hi friends, welcome to Just Like the channel. Today I am going to show you how to make tukpa. First we'll make tukpa paste. To make tukpa paste we need to grind these ingredients. In a mixer jar I am adding 1 onion, 1 tomato and then 3 green chilies. You can adjust it according to your spice level. Along with it I am adding half of the star anise. Half is enough cause it will be more like a masala smell. So I am just adding half. Along with it I am adding a handful of coriander leaves. First we will grind it into a paste without adding any water. Cause onion and tomato already has water content. Now the tukpa paste is ready. To prepare tukpa, the following ingredients should be sorted. So I have taken half onion which is finely chopped, and then 2 garlic cloves which is finely chopped, and a piece of ginger finely chopped. Along with it I have taken mushrooms and carrots. You can add cabbage also if you want. So along with it I am adding half a slice of lemon. So first we'll prepare noodles. I have taken 2 small packets of Hakka noodles. So in a hot boiling water I am adding a little bit of salt. Once the water boils well, we'll add 2 small packets of noodles which is sufficient for 2 persons. Then allow it to cook for 5 minutes. To check whether the noodle is cooked or not, we need to take a noodle and try to cut it in hand. If it cuts in hand, then the noodle is cooked. So we'll drain and keep it aside. The drained water should not be wasted. Let's use it in later part. So now in a hot pan, I am adding 2 teaspoons of oil, and then I am frying salt, garlic, ginger which we finely chopped, and then along with it I am adding tukpa paste. Fry this paste well until the raw smell goes off completely. So I have fried for 10 minutes and then the raw smell is not there. Now I am adding veggies, carrots and mushrooms. And then the required salt for the veggies. Fry these veggies. We'll add the noodles boiled water into this. This water is more than sufficient for the tukpa quantity we have. Let the veggies cook. Now the veggies are cooked. So in a bowl add noodles. On top of it we can add the prepared soup. To make it more delicious I am adding half boiled egg on top of it. Guys, please do try this recipe in your quarantine days. It's a more delicious dish, and then you can share your comments in the description. Thank you for watching.